Hey everyone, want to turn your words into a jaw-dropping art? Today I'll show you how to generate stunning AI typography art with Ideogram AI in just minutes. Let's get started. First, go to Ideogram AI and log in or sign up. Then here on the main page, you'll see a prompt box, and this is where the magic begins. Then in the prompt box, type your phrase. For example, dream big, a colorful gradient typography, 3D glossy style, cinematic lighting. This tells that ideogram exactly how you want your text to look. Then select your style. You can choose from 3D calligraphy, neon graffiti, or more. The style greatly affects the vibe of your text art. Then hit generate and let the ideogram do its magic. And in seconds, you'll get a multiple variations. Click your favorite and download it. And it's ready for social media prints or merch. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make eye-catching AI typography with Ideogram AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.